Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can just export your videos on CapCut PC. How you can export just the audio on CapCut PC so that you won't get the video part, you'll just get the MP3 file of it. So for instance, you have this video and you just want to export it as an audio. You can just right click and select extract audio, delete it. Go to export and then select export audio and deselect video exporting. It also works if you still have the video, I'm just saying. So if you still have the video just like that and selected export and you just selected export audio and selected the file format, there's MP3, WAV, AAC, FLAC, I'm not quite sure what the rest are. Usually just use MP3 or the WAV one and just select export and it's going to be exported as an audio file. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!